Good morning, world. So, last night was our final night here at the lake. We're headed out today. We're headed off to a motorcycle shop in Willard, Missouri, then to Cashew Chicken, then to my sister's house. But we have a few stragglers left, all packing their bikes up, getting ready to leave. Got Mike Bodine over there in the house. He's packing up the Ford truck to leave. Next year, bike gonna be ready, right?
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Next year, hopefully.
Angie's putting all her shit on her bike. Look at that. That's a lot of shit.
So full.
Ken and Christy, they're getting ready to head back to Joplin. We got an Oklahomian here. Is that a word? Oklahomian. It is now! Anyway, that's it, guys. We're headed out. We'll see you in a little while. And we're off! Until next year, see you like in the Ozarks. We stopped for gas, not really in a town, but it was $3.89 for 91 octane. We're about 60 miles out from our motorcycle shop stop. Beautiful day, great roads. I just want to ride. All right, y'all, we are in Willard and we're at MD Power Sports, and they're brand new. Like, they opened a week ago. So right now the only sign they have is it's a gas station, and they don't even have gas. But they are a new motorcycle repair shop here in Willard, Missouri. They're just getting set up, and they'll work on anything. ATVs, UTVs, whatever it is. They've got the shop all set up here, and they're ready to go to work. He said his certifications are on Harleys, but they'll work on anything. So if you have anything in the Willard area that you need worked on, then bring it here. Also, it's a poo stop. You can see Mama doing her poo video in there. Anyway, it's a poo stop, so you can come here to their place, check them out, show them a little love, and get your poo right here in Willard. Anywho, there you go. Another great biker-owned, biker-friendly business. They're on the map at supportbikers.com. Go check them out and get your favorite business on supportbikers.com. It's free. Tell them to go to supportbikers.com, get a listing. See ya. Hey guys, so we've got David. You're the creator of this place, huh?
Yeah, me and another guy down at D's Auto.
Fantastic. Well, I was telling them that you said that you have your certifications mostly in Harley. You guys will work on anything, right?
Yep. Any kind of motorcycle, power sports, four-wheelers, dirt bikes, ATVs, UTVs.
All right, there you go. Come see him, get your work done. All right, food stop is over. Let's go get some food. Triple H, Republic, Cashew Chicken. Here I come. All right, so we pulled in to Triple H's because, you know, I'm here and there's Cashew Chicken, and there's a guy walking across the parking lot. And I'm like, I was just telling him like I was gonna pull in here, but I guess he was up at Lake the Ozarks this weekend and didn't find us. So he found us today. Just go hang out at the Cashew Chicken place.
This is the reason why we didn't get to see him.
He was getting that tattoo. Very nice. So anyway, we got to meet him today. We got to give him some stuff. And what was your name again?
I'm Jason.
Jason, and you're from this area?
From this Springfield area.
Springfield area. All right. Thanks for coming and seeing us.
Yeah.
All right, Cashew Chicken was awesome. On the road again. Next time, Monett. All right, y'all. That's a wrap for today. We made it to my sister's house. One of the family had a football game tonight, which they won, by the way. First game they won this year. You're welcome. Yeah, we're good luck. At least that's what we're telling ourselves and everybody else. When the Badgers come to town, the kids win ball games, all that fun stuff. So we're good luck. Anywho, today was an awesome day. Tomorrow is my sister's birthday, so we're going to be running around doing birthday stuff with her. But what a great day. Got to meet a business, said goodbye to our friends. We'll see some of them next week at BFE. We'll be there on Thursday. And that's a wrap, guys. We'll see you all tomorrow.